Danny Marie here, guys. Today I'm going to be using Aunt Jackie's Curl Lala Defining Curl Custard to give you a nice side part curly pixie. So we're going to get right into it, you guys. This is their Defining Curl Custard for curls, coils, waves, and it's enriched with shea butter and olive oil. You know I love me some good ingredients that make my hair leaving it nice and moisturized. So this defines your curls. You can use as much as you want on wet or dry hair. My hair is already washed and conditioned. I'm just gonna add as much product as I need just to make sure that it's all saturated in my hair. You're not gonna need any other products for this, guys. You can just use this curling custard and it's gonna curl your hair. I promise you that it's gonna leave it shaped, defined. It's gonna control the frizz. It's gonna add moisture and shine. And you're really not going to need anything else. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make sure that's all saturated in my hair. I'm going to take a brush and I'm just going to comb everything through after I apply more product. And you can continue to apply as much product as you need. Taking my brush, I'm going to just comb through everything, make sure everything's saturated like I said. And I'm just going to start to define my little curls, just making sure I'm detangling at the same time. Adding more product as you need it. I'm going to take a medium tooth comb, you guys, and I'm going to go in and define my curls. If you have longer hair, you can use a comb or brush, whichever is best for you. And I'm just going to start to define my curls more, twist it, add more product in certain areas as it's needed. And I'm just going to continue to twist my curls out for you guys. I don't use a diffuser. If you have longer hair, it would probably be best if you use a diffuser after you define your curls. I'm going to air dry because that is what I like to do better. I don't diffuse. As my hair grows, I might use a diffuser, but right now I'm just going to air dry after I comb and define these curls for you guys. I'm going to make a part and I'm just going to part it on the side, and then I'm going to take some bobby pins and I'm going to bobby pin it down on that one side, guys. Just to give it a little something different, do a little something different for you guys. Okay, that is it for this video today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to know where you could get Aunt Jackie's Curl Lala, I'll have everything in the description box below. And make sure you guys try this stuff out. It's a really good curling custard and it's good for your hair and it smells good. Anything that smells good is good, guys. But yeah, so hope you liked the video. See you later.